how to fix neck posture in 3 moves, especially if you sit at a desk, play video games, or you just scroll through Instagram or Facebook or YouTube way too often. Hi, I'm Glenn Dawson with ResetU Fitness. I'm gonna show you the 3 moves that you need to do on a daily basis, if not every other day, just to make sure that you don't end up with that old grandma hunch. They're very simple. You can do them at home, follow along, and feel better now. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do, we have to open up your T-spine and your chest. Now I said neck posture. You're like, Glenn, fix my neck. We will get there. But if your chest is really tight and pulled forward and your shoulders are open the wrong way and you're rounded in the shoulder blades, you're not gonna fix your neck. That's the first thing to do. So that hump in your back, that's the first thing that has to go. This is a simple exercise. It's called a foam roll angel. Literally like a snow angel with the foam roller. Place the foam roller, a long one is the easiest one to do, right at the base of your hips, and then lay back. Make sure that your neck and head are comfortably on the foam roller, and the foam roller is in between your shoulder blades. From here, take your palms over your head, nice and slow, just like this, nice and easy, and do 10 repetitions. If you feel discomfort as you come up or your palms aren't on the ground, stay within your range of motion. You don't need to do full range of motion for this to work. You just gotta stay within your range of motion and open your chest, your lats, your T-spine, everything around your shoulders and neck is going to open when you do this. Once you've done this, 10 repetitions, nice and slow, move on to the second exercise. Now the next exercise we're gonna do is called a lying lower trap activator. Long story short, just to make this so it's easier for you to condense it all into one little like knowledge bubble, these things are your upper traps. You have lower traps beneath your shoulder blades. Most of the time when you have neck issues, these upper traps get really strong and tight and dominant and pull your shoulders up and forward. We gotta do the opposite, pull them down. So, I'm going to lay on the ground, put my fingertips into the ground next to my ears, slide my fingertips out nice and slow, bring them back in, and as I bring them back in, I'm gonna focus on the muscles beneath my shoulder blades to pull the shoulder blades down and in, and move them back out. Now do 10 of these, nice and easy and slow, and you'll be strengthening the muscles around your shoulder blade so it stays in place and stretching out your lats. If you feel your hand twist in like this and you can't keep your fingers on the ground, that means you have really, really tight lats. Go to a different video and we'll show you how to relieve the tension in your lats. But in this one, we're gonna go to my favorite movement for working on your neck right now. Last but not least, we're going to do a neck compression. This movement, it's very, very, very detailed, but it works very well for what you're experiencing. The first thing I want you to do is invert your thumbs upside down, like so. Now I'm gonna press my thumb and my fingers against my face, just like this. I'm gonna push my entire skull backwards. I'm not gonna go down or back. It's gonna squish my skull like an accordion, straight back, like so. With my elbows out, I'm gonna open up my shoulder blades and I want you to hold there first. Once you've got a good hold, then you're going to lean back slowly, anchoring yourself on the couch behind you or bench. Make sure the object behind you is stable and it's about bra strap height if you're wearing a bra strap. If you're a guy and you never wear a bra strap, the bottom of your shoulder blades. So here we go. Invert the thumbs, place them on your face, press backwards, hold, lean back. Keep the pressure and sit up. I would do 2 sets of 10 of this. Staying within your happy range of motion. There's no need to push through this very difficult. It's your neck. You want to be very, very soft with your neck. Last but not least, retest your neck posture. You should feel a lot better. Go left to right, up, down, and just see how much better your neck feels. Now, I've literally seen people with the most hunched of hunchbacks and the most forward neck posture like this have that straight military posture where everything looks great in just as little as 3 weeks. So if you're doing this every other day for 3 weeks, you can't imagine how much relief you'll get to your neck and how much better your posture will feel. Now, I've given you so much, and I want to keep giving to you, but I can only do so if you subscribe to our channel. We're bringing out videos, sometimes 2 times a week, sometimes 1 time a week. Either way, you're gonna get at least 1.5 videos a week if you subscribe. If you don't subscribe, I may never see you again, and I can't help you. I can't give to you. So if you haven't already done so, make sure you subscribe so you can get next week's video. See ya.